Hey YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. This is Chai Tesla Guy reporting back on the update for my solar project in my home in Chicago. It's been about 4 weeks since I've recorded my last video, kind of walking you through the introductory phase of that project. And about 5 weeks since I've had the site survey here conducted in my home. They took all that information back and sent it to engineers in California. And since then, I've gotten back a finalized project. They were able to add 2 solar panels that is going to help increase the total production of energy in my home based on the design, the roof layout, and all that information that came back. So that, I was pleasantly surprised to be able to add an additional set of panels, because initial response was, your roof is going to have to only be able to support a smaller amount. But once they got all that information back to Tesla, they were able to come back and they said, yeah, we can actually do what we originally projected and an additional 2 overall. So that was really nice as well, to kind of see that come back. Communication from Tesla on the other front has been inconsistent. Normally what I have to do is reach out to the advisor and kind of find out what's going on, what's the stage, what's next, how are we progressing. So that's kind of been frustrating through that process. I know that they're very busy with the Model 3. I don't know if that's impacting the Solar City side or the energy side of Tesla, if they're pulling employees from that side and asking them to fill in on the vehicle production or manufacturing or delivery side as well. So that could be causing some of the frustration, but I have to reach out to my advisor. I have to email him. I have to call him, text him. Normally it takes about 3 or 4 forms of contact for him to respond, which has been very frustrating for me as somebody who's in sales, and it's very important to maintain a client relationship. But nonetheless, it's kind of progressing. Right now, where we stand is Tesla says that they've pulled permits from the city of Chicago to proceed with the project. They've submitted the final plans that I've approved, and they're waiting for those permits to come back approved. Part of this delay, obviously, at this point, is the city of Chicago reviewing everything. They do have a easy, you can say, expedited process for submitting permits for energy, solar panel projects, etc. Supposed to only take a couple weeks, but now it's been about 3 weeks since Tesla says they've submitted that. So we're kind of still waiting there. The other frustrating part for me is that I've submitted a referral code with my original order to my advisor, and unfortunately that referral code is nowhere to be seen on my order. So what I'm being given now right now is a 20-year warranty versus the 25-year warranty when you use a referral code. So I've been going back and forth with him on that, unsuccessfully getting him to add it, to the point that I've had to call the main Tesla line because my advisor's halted communication at the moment, I guess just because of projects on hold during the permits. So I reached out to the Tesla line, and I actually got more information from them about the referral code. They said they were going to resubmit it, did an escalation process. I did that on Thursday or so. So today's Saturday, kind of waiting on that update to hit my account. So here what you see is the drawing of the plan for my solar project. We have a total of 21 solar panels, which would be a system size of 6.4 kilowatts, production estimated at 7,456 kilowatt hours, and offsetting 90% of my usage on an annual basis. You will see a 3-foot border along the whole entire project. This is for ease of use, to access the panels during maintenance, cleaning, etc., install. So that is something that I believe and understand is required by building code in the state of Illinois. In addition to that, there's going to be a couple other pieces of equipment that would get installed. You'll see inverter, which is what is going to translate the solar light into electrical energy, the AC shutoff, the meter that would be installed by my service provider, and then also the electrical panel, which is inside the home. They're going to be doing some updates to that as well. Now this is my dashboard for my account. As you can see, it's stuck under the system design in progress, when in fact, according to my advisor and to Tesla customer service, we are in the building permit stage. This is kind of the frustrating part for me, is I like following along to the project as it changes through the different stages, and I really wish that this website worked as intended, so that I can follow along. There you have it, folks. That's the current update on our project in our home. Really looking forward to get this ball moving over the next 30 days or so, getting the project installed, completed, turned on. I'd really want to get some usage out of it before winter, so I can post further updates and really guide you guys on this purchase. Keep in mind, Tesla has recently launched a Model 3 Performance referral program on August 1st. They also currently have the perk that if you purchase using a referral code from now through September 16th, that you'll get unlimited supercharging. So please feel free to utilize my code. I'm going to post it below. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.